what's going on down the Wolves. Thomas Wolf here. So, I am here to announce that I'm going to be retiring from wrestling. Well, Wrestle on Roblox. You know the game Wrestle? I don't know if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys know what I'm talking about if you guys haven't played Roblox. But I'm not going to retire until I find this fucker. I've been calling him out. He still hasn't responded. This goddamn part-timer piece of shit. Arydn Wolf, aka Fox Lightning Bolt, or should I say Fox Lightning Bitch. The only reason why I got beef with you is because I'm getting sick and tired of you going into these servers acting like you are some type of show-off wannabe. And I'm also getting sick and tired of you going to these servers treating people like shit. Cause no disrespect, man, but you've been disrespecting and betraying all of you goddamn people. All of your little furry boyfriends. You're acting like you care, but you don't care for them. All you care about is you want to use them to make history. And I know what you're thinking. Who in the hell I'm talking to? Because I'm pretty sure you're going to be like, who the hell you think you're talking to? Oh, I know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to the guy who became the biggest jackass on the planet. Look at this guy. Acting like he's got a fucking eye. But now when I just realized, look at that. He's got a fucking red eye. Because I think somebody gave him a black eye. Look at this crazy fucking aqua bitch. I mean, sure, he may have got 1,000 subs, but that doesn't mean shit to me. And this motherfucker's saying that he deleted all his wrestling videos and didn't probably get to change the shit. And then guess what? Look what I found. Wrestling videos. I'm pretty sure he put those back on. And he didn't probably tell his viewers that he put them back on. Because let me just say this probably. I'm pretty sure he doesn't give a... pretty sure not even one. Not even probably one. He does not give a flying fuck about his viewers. How do I know? I don't know. But I do know this. I do know he's got no heart. He's probably got no soul anyways, because he probably sold his soul to the fucking devil. That probably explains why he's being an asshole to all these goddamn people. One time he got mad because I used this thing for his thing called the FMC. I put that on my display name. You see, Fox Lightning Bolt, aka Arydn Wolf. I didn't do that just to mock you or play mind games. I put that on my display because I was a fan of you. I was a fan, but I'm pretty sure you were having trouble understanding that. I guess you probably don't want no fans to support you. You see, I did that because I wanted to support you because you were my favorite YouTuber. You really would. If I wasn't your favorite YouTuber, then how the hell did I was watching your live stream a couple of years ago? Let me go find it. Okay guys, I found it. So I can't watch the live comment, but I did found a comment on my very first ever YouTube channel when I commented on him. So, if I wasn't a fan of you, Fox Lightning Bolt, then why the hell was I on your goddamn live chat that you made this 4 years ago? You see, I didn't mock him to put the FMC on my display name on my Roblox character. As a matter of fact, I didn't get the wolf idea from him. I just got it because that was one of my dreams of becoming on Roblox. Because I wanted to be a wolf. Not some furry fuckhead. You see, I'm already getting disrespected every time I go on Wrestle, okay? And don't act like I've never been disrespected before, people. I know what it's like getting disrespected. Don't believe me? Ask J Apex. Ask Ezra Soul. Ask Carl Phantom Wolf for all I care. But do I kind of care? No. I mean, sometimes, yeah, they hurt my feelings a little bit, but I try to stay positive. Four years ago, Arydn Wolf, I was just trying to be a fan and trying to support your ass. Let me just ask you this. You probably know what I'm gonna say. Who the hell are you? What happened to this guy? What happened to this guy? Right here. On this screen. What happened to this Arydn? What happened to the old Fox Lightning Bolt? Huh? What happened to this guy? Right here. You know what? I'm not gonna even ask that anymore. Because if I'm not wrong, you're probably gonna say, well, Thomas, the old Fox Lightning Bolt's dead. Well, no shit, shitlock. Because that explains why you got no heart, and no brain, and no soul. Because probably you sold your soul to the fucking devil himself. For whatever reason, but it's not none of my business. Oh, I also just noticed. It says right here, Alpha Fur Wolf. Alpha Fur Wolf, huh? Nah. The way I look at you right now, Arydn Wolf, you did not become no Alpha Fur Wolf. The way I look at you right now, you look like a goddamn alpha ass of the fur wolf. So I'm not doing this to be a fucking pretend fan no more. Or act like a friend to you. So I'm just you know what, I'm just going to end this video, but before I go, because I have a huge ass headache right now. Never told you guys that before at the beginning, but I try to block the pain, which is I am trying to, but before I go, just one more thing to Arydn Wolf. He's already know what I'm going to say. Arydn Wolf, go find yourself. And if you can't go find yourself, then I guess go fuck yourself then, bitch. that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share if y'all want to. We're on the road to 50 subscribers. And with all that being said, this is Thomas Diamond Wolf here. Wolf out.